as a deputy district attorney, it's the only law job where your sole responsibility is to represent the people of the state of California's interest in seeing that justice is done. And it doesn't matter how much it costs to get justice done, it doesn't matter how long it's going to take, it's our job to fight that fight, to try to achieve justice on every case. And I realized that 36 years ago, and I've never looked back.
There was a life-changing event that occurred when I was in high school. I was an explorer, was going through that program, and a good friend of ours, and a hunting friend of ours that we spent a lot of time with, was killed in the line of duty responding to a domestic violence call.
I wanted to be a litigator. I wanted to be in the arena. This was in the mid-90s, so there was some notable trials, the O.J. Simpson trial and so forth, and I just wanted to be in the courtroom swinging it out like a gladiator.
I also was an attorney for the mock trial program in high school, and I really enjoyed it. And the motivating factor that really kind of pushed me that way after that incident was a judge taking me aside and basically predicting that someday I would be a prosecutor based on what he saw in court. And that stuck with me. So when the decision time came, what am I going to do? That's where it pushed me.
When I was in law school, there was nothing more exciting and interesting to me than when I clerked at the Orange County DA's office and started working in criminal law, going into court, working on motions, doing prelims, making arguments on behalf of victims. I knew for sure that's what I wanted to do.
I don't want to get too spiritual, but I felt it was a calling to me at this point in time. I figured I was put in this role to do something because it was so challenging, but it was so rewarding to dealing with victims, to dealing with crimes, to trying to communicate and be an effective litigator and attorney for victims' interests.
The stories of people that I've learned along the way, the trials that I've done, the cases I've been involved with, those are the things that have really brought out why I'm a prosecutor and why I stay a prosecutor. And it's connecting with the victims and really, honestly, them taking me to what happened to them, being involved, convincing a jury that this person deserves to be held accountable and punished, and knowing you're not restoring anything for the victim necessarily, but you are accomplishing justice and you are preventing, in a lot of circumstances in the cases that I did, future victims.